This hurts.
But we love cock. Yeah, the joke started wearing a bit thin.
Come in!
It's SpongeBob! I have a confession to
Yes. Go sit over there. Pay close attention, Patrick. Well, you start by you gotta...
Are you sure you know how to do it?
Patrick, aren't you late for something?
You're right! We'll have to do this lesson later! Hey, SpongeBob, you're shorter! Have you been dying?
SpongeBob! Those patties aren't gonna cook themselves, SpongeBob!
You have the look of a man who accepts what he sees because he is expecting to wake up.
He's right. Hey, Squidward! I've got an idea. How about you come get it?
Oh, gee, SpongeBob, that's a great idea! And maybe I should cook the patties, and wear square pants, and live in a pineapple, while you wait in the unemployment line! And bring that pretty hair down!
I failed.
No longer afraid of the dark, only they shadows nothing, so ridiculously teenage and desperate nothings.
SpongeBob's fault! SpongeBob's fault!
We did it! We painted the whole house!
The whole house!
Maybe I should just lay here. I am sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.